Welcome in vocabulary class. الفواكه والثمار. Pal fruits. العربية Urdu English. So first word is tamarun. Tamarun. It's in Arabic. In Urdu khajur. In English date. Second word is ijjasun. Kummathara. It's in Arabic. In Urdu nashpati. In English pear. Third word is mauzun. It's in Arabic. In Urdu, kela. In English, banana. Fourth word is khawkhun. It's in Arabic. In Urdu, aru. In English, peach. Fifth word is mishmishun. It's in Arabic. In Urdu, khobani. In English, apricot. Sixth word is bittikhun ahmar. It's in Arabic. In Urdu, tarbuz. In English, watermelon.